Hey mom, why didn't you tell me? Hey mom, why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you teach me a thing or two? You just let me go out into the world. You never thought to share what you knew. So I walked under a bus, I got hit by a train. Keep falling in love, which is kind of the same. I sunk out at sea, crashed my car, got insane. And it felt so good, I wanna do it again. Hey mom, why didn't you warn me? 'Cause sports is something I should have known. They're like chocolate cake, like cigarettes. I know they're bad for me, but I just can't leave them alone. So I walked under a bus, I got hit by a train. I keep falling in love, which is kind of the same. I sunk out at sea, crashed my car, got insane. And it felt so good, I wanna do it again. I walked under a bus, I got hit by a train. I keep falling in love, it's kind of the same. I sunk out at sea, crashed my car, got insane. And it felt so good, I wanna do it again. I wanna do it again. I wanna do it again. Oh, feels so good. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey mom, since we're talking, what was it like when you were young? Has the world changed, or is it still the same? A man can kill and still be the sweetest fun. I walked under a bus, I got hit by a train. I keep falling in love, which is kind of the same. I sunk out at sea, crashed my car, got insane. And it felt so good, I wanna do it again. Yeah, I walked under a bus, I got hit by a train. And it felt so good, I wanna do it again.